Hey guys, I think this is going to be the quickest lesson here at the Redraw Academy, and it's about the function to increase resolution. It's a feature that doesn't really have any secrets, right? Let's say you have an image that's 1000 pixels, 2000 pixels, and you want to make it bigger, you'll use this function. But here's the thing. The goal of this function is to enlarge your image, doubling or tripling the pixels without losing quality and without losing fidelity in your file, in your image. So, a lot of people use this function here, for example, from Redraw, to do this with photos with friends, selfies, personal pictures, whatever, with all kinds of images you have. But in what context does it really work well? Let's say I'm working on my render. I'll mention the software Redraw here. My PC isn't that great and I need to deliver this render. It's already, I don't know, for in the morning. And I have to deliver this render by 10 in the morning because my client is coming to my office or because my professor asked for it and my deadline is 10 in the morning. And I'm really behind, left it to the last minute, and I need to make 10 images to put on my banner, and my computer is going to take, on average, to render these images at a 2K resolution, for example. It's going to take, I don't know, about an hour to make these images, maybe even 2 hours. I don't have that kind of time, because I still have to work on my image. I still have to put it on a board, on a presentation, so what am I going to do? But I know I have an AI that can help me increase the resolution of my image, so I go there, generate my image at the lowest size possible that still keeps my project sharp, like 720 pixels, 1080, or whatever, 1024, which will give me an image in 10 minutes. I generate my 10 images there in about an hour and 40 minutes and start using artificial intelligence. That's when this function comes in, meaning, in moments of desperation or if you're just smart and don't want to spend hours and hours paying for a render farm, or don't want to spend hours and hours, generating an image there. So you'll use Redraw's AI, which is the case here. So I have this image here, which is, let me check here, it has a size of 996 pixels by 498. So this is the dimension of my image. I'm going to come here in Redraw and I'm going to set it straight to 4K. Here it has a mode. We have another mode, I believe the team will bring it soon, that improves the image. But here would already be moving into the enhance render. So before that, for example, I could run this image of mine through my enhance render and then come back here, right? Anyway, I'm going to click here to generate this image. There you go, resolution increased on. Now I have a 4K image here, generated in less than 30 seconds. So we went from an image with 996 pixels to an image with 4K resolution. I can select 2K here. Anyway, it really depends on what you're looking for. But wait, is that all? No, that's not all. I can use this function here together with other functions. So let's say I came here to my improve render in Redraw, uploaded my image here and generated it in improve render because I wanted to enhance my whole scene or, for example, I finished my render. What happens? Redraw, in this context here, doesn't upscale your image, meaning it will try to keep the size you uploaded, but usually, it will return the image to you at 1024 pixels. What happens? It's not at a resolution that's really ideal for you to present this project, but you have the option to use the function to increase the resolution. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click here on the trash can, click the X, and then drag the image I just generated back into my viewport. And from there, I go to the increase resolution option and bump up the resolution of this image to get a better result, so I can export this image at a higher resolution. In other words, within Redraw, I've already done my render, developed my idea, basically created the image I wanted, and right here in Redraw, I upscale it and send it to my board, to my presentation, in the highest quality I can get. That's basically it, folks. This is the resolution increase function in Redraw. There's really no mystery to it. I can put all kinds of images in here. I can generate an image using the text-to-image feature, like this image here, for example, which was created using the text function in Redraw. So, I came here to the text function, maybe you haven't seen this feature yet, and I typed in that I wanted a house, an interior, a field, whatever, with wood tones, and I can upscale this image here. It's really simple, really easy to use. That's it, guys. I clicked here, but I'm not going to wait for the image to finish so we can wrap up this lesson. Thank you so much, and take care.